Three of my favorite ways to track institutional investors. Whether you like institutions or not, it takes a lot of demand to push prices up. And by far, the biggest source of demand for stocks are from institutional investors, like mutual funds, pensions funds, hedge funds, insurance companies, large investment counselors, and more. The large institutions account for a large part of the market activity every single day. So if you're looking to buy or sell a stock, it's good to know what the institutions are also doing. Most of the time, I'll take a look at these websites to get some quick insights. 1. HedgeFollow. It has a great database of institutions and hedge funds. They track buy and sell activity from the 13 Fs that institutional investors have to file quarterly. The interface is super easy to use. You can get a lot of granularity, especially at the company level. Number 2, Whale Wisdom. This one is pretty similar to HedgeFollow. You get some good event and 13F tracking. You can also see really detailed breakdowns of institutional investor holdings. What I like about this one is that you can easily filter for the transactions that you're trying to see, and you can also download it as a CSV to use it in Excel, which I do a lot. Last but not least, QuiverQuant is always a great resource. Not only do they make incredible TikTok content, but it's a platform that has a really robust tracking, especially when it comes to Congress trading. It also shows you insider trading and corporate lobbying, which is really interesting. It's good to know if you're looking to buy a stock, why is everyone selling it?